Everybody, Linda Powers here, Realtor with Mutter Realty, powered by ERA. It's Thursday and it's a little bit later in the day than I usually do my videos. Just trying to work around a client's availability, so we're doing one here in the afternoon. And it's not our beautiful sunshiny time this afternoon. I'm getting sprinkled on right now. I'm getting a little bit wet, but I like to start outside so you can see the properties, front of the property here behind me, and really get it shown. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. All right, guys, I am on a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous piece of property here in Mims. Today I'm featuring one of Gerald Johnson's listings. He's an agent with our office, and we are at 3615 Grantline Rd. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, and it sits on 2.5 acres of beautiful, beautiful land. It is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely beautiful piece of property. What's nice about the property out back is it's split with the fencing, so you can have part of the yard for your family and your pets, and then if you want to have horses out back, you can certainly do that. But let's go and check out the front, or the inside of the home. So you can see here we've got a nice long driveway leading up to your side entry garage. Just walk over here and show you that real quick. So you've got your side entry garage over here. And we're going to take our walk up to this lovely home. Now this home was built in 1976. And you've got this beautiful brick exterior with frame construction behind it. Some lovely landscaping up to the walk. Ooh, I think I got some water on the camera there. Beautiful double door entry into your nice foyer. Look at these pretty, it's like a terracotta honeycomb entrance here. Lovely. Okay, we are going to start our way by, start the view by coming over here towards the kitchen. So you do have like an eat-in dining area here off of the kitchen. Hey, Miss Natia, how you doing, girlfriend? So you do have this nice breakfast bar area. All of your appliances that are here that you're going to see in the video are definitely staying with the property. This house has got some good bones, guys. It's beautiful. So open and bright. Off your dining room, you have your laundry, equipped with a potty and a sink. Check this out, totally old school. Inside here is your ironing board, and it's still in excellent condition. And what do you think about these appliances, guys? Look at these. They are like new, and they still work. Can you imagine that? I couldn't imagine buying an appliance today and it lasting 5 years. Let's not even talk about how old those are. Okay, so through this door, guys, is the 2-car garage. It's where your air handler, water heater, and there's a sink in there too for you to clean up and whatnot, but they have all the stuff that they're packing to make their move in there. So I'm gonna respect that privacy and not show their personal items. Inside these 2 doors is where your pantry is. Then we're gonna walk through here, and this would be your formal dining space. Hey Frank, I'm in your neck of the woods. Please tell me you've got your house done. Please, I cannot wait to see it. All right, guys, so this is your formal dining room. It is carpeted. Look at this beautiful antique fixture. Love it. You do have your dry bar area here. This brick just really brings it home. What a beautiful feature. Now these doors do lead out to the sunroom, and I'm not going to go out there right now because they have their pups out there. So we're going to do that room last, guys, or right before we go out to the back. 2 inspections to go. Whew. Well, you got to ride their bottoms. You know they can take their time getting those done. So as you see, guys, we're going to step down. This is a beautiful sunk-in living room. The space is huge. This is nearly 18 feet by 23 feet. So tons and tons of space here for your furniture, your family, your friends. You got your nice, beautiful vaulted ceilings with dark beams. Gorgeous. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about, hang on, let's see, there we go. A little bit about this particular property while we're walking through, and I hope I don't lose connection here. This property is under what's called a 72-hour kick-out clause. And you might have seen this property on the MLS and you're like, what does that mean? Well, the 72-hour kick-out clause means that the property has been taken under contract, but the buyer that they accepted the contract with has got to sell their property in order to be able to purchase this home. So in order for them to close on the property, they have to get their property under contract and sold so they can have the funds to make the purchase on this one. That does not mean that this property is not available. What it means is if you like this house and you want to put an offer in on it, you can certainly do that if your offer is not going to be contingent on the sale of your home. Now, once you put an offer in and the sellers accept that offer, the current people under contract on the house have 72 hours to remove the sale of their home contingency. This room that we're in right now, guys, this is the hall bathroom. So once the current buyers receive notice that an offer has been received, they have 72 hours to remove that contingency. And if they cannot remove that contingency, then their offer is kicked out and the sellers can move on to the new offer without a contingency. So if you're looking for a wonderful home in Mims, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2.5 acres where you can bring your horses, bring your toys, no HOA, don't pass this one by, guys. That kick-out clause is not set in stone. Nice size closet here. This is bedroom 2. Hey, Miss Crystal, hope you're doing well. Now, speaking of financing on this property, the sellers are considering all types. We do have a linen closet here at the end of the hall. So cash, conventional, FHA, VA. We are out there in a rural part of the county, so I imagine this parcel home would qualify for USDA financing as well. This is your primary suite, guys. This is a really nice sized room. It is 18 by 14. They've got a king size bed in here, tons of furniture, lots of space. Oh, Miss Crystal, I'm doing so good. Things are going great. Your little boy, he's just growing up so fast. Every time I see a new picture, I swear he gets 4 inches taller. Okay, so this is your primary suite luxury bathroom. So you've got your nice double sinks and your extra large vanity here. This beautiful wallpaper. Got these nice square tiles here, and those go all the way behind the commode and wrap around into your shower. And the tile goes all the way up there. Look at all the natural light you get in this house. It just goes for days. What a view. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Quite beautiful. I can see maybe a pool going in. But wait, there's more. Check out the size of this walk-in, guys. It goes and goes and goes. Think about all these shoes and clothes that can go in there. Oh, yeah. All right. Now here we have another closet. Storage of all your fun stuff. And another closet. So definitely no shortage of storage space in this home. All right, guys, now I'm going to walk through here and just kind of tap on the door and let them know that I'm ready to go through and show you the Florida room. They've got 3 pups, and one of them is a little bit scary. It's a German Shepherd, so I'm just going to hang out on this side while they take those dogs and go put them in the garage and make sure it's safe for me. Is there anything you want to see again inside the house, Crystal, before I go over through the sunroom? I'll show you guys a view of this fireplace while I'm waiting. This is a wood-burning fireplace. Look at that mantle. Think about the stockings hanging from that. Some Santas stacked up, a Christmas tree over here. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I think they're having some trouble getting the puppy put away. Thanks for your patience, guys. Okay. Now it's safe. All right. So we are going to go through and show you this sunroom. This sunroom is massive. This has got to be 15 by 30. So it's a whole extra living space back here. Now it's not under heat or air. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, it is. There is a window unit, so it's not actual living space, but you could definitely be comfortable back here with that window unit. Could put a pool table out here, a playroom for the kids. Could be a media room. Whatever you want to use this space for. Look at the beautiful ceiling. Look at that tongue and groove wood all the way across the top. Love it. Oh, you missed the front of the outside? Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go back out to the front in my short time. But if you, after the video is over, Crystal, you can go back and watch that from the front. But check out this backyard. So they've actually got it broken up in 3 sections. So you've got your front yard, and then this space right here. I think this is the area where they have the dogs. And then all this space is your backyard. Now this shed is going to be staying with the property, and I believe there's power and water out here. Now the property does have a water softener. It's on well and it's on septic. So that definitely helps with utilities. Now another thing you should know about this property is it does have solar panels. So with that comes a fixed electric bill, because they're still paying on those solar panels, but it covers all of your electric that you need, and that payment is $167 a month, but you have an endless supply of energy for that $167. So it more than makes up for it. I don't know about you guys, but a 2,400 square foot house electric bill is going to be way more than $167 a month. Definitely a home this size, a great investment to be getting solar panels. So, all right, I'm going to show you guys the back of the property, because again, it is 2.5 acres. It's a lot to show you. So I'm just going to kind of put the camera over. I think they have another, about 1/4 of an acre just beyond this fence. So if you wanted to keep, well, no, it's bigger than that. I would say this is about a half an acre here, so it's a good place you could keep a horse or some goats, some chickens, all those things. Split the property up however you see fit and however you need to do it. So, all right guys, I'm just gonna turn the camera around right here and sum this one up. It's a big house. I don't have time to make it all the way back inside. So we're at 3615 Grantline Road in Mims. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. It is on 2.5 acres, listed for $539,000. Again, it is on that 72-hour kickout clause contract, but you can bump them out, guys, if you're interested in the property. Don't get discouraged by that, because if you don't have a property that you need to sell and you're interested in buying this home, make the move. So do me a favor, share the videos, like, comment, say nice things only. Hopefully if your mother raised you right, that's what you'll do. But you guys take care. My number is 321-360-9859. I will see you guys next week. Take care. Be safe. Oh, and it's bike week coming up, guys. I think it starts tonight. So look out for motorcycles out there. Be safe. If you're a rider, wear your helmet. It's worth it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.